Good morning and happy Sunday to you, and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Last night was the third installment of tomato soups, where I prepared the tomato and rice soup. This recipe actually came out of jolly old England. One of our friends, um, who I share a lot of her recipes. Yeah, it was good. It was really good. I had to do some measurement modifications to it. It's all in the notes in the recipe. There's just, in my opinion, there was not enough liquid, so I added a little bit of liquid, and that's basically all I did. But the flavor is excellent. Um, the consistency is really good. The cream really adds to it. It's kind of a healthy recipe, really, because it's got brown rice. It's supposed to have whole wheat flour for the thickener. I don't have whole wheat flour here at the house in the kitchen, so I just use regular all-purpose. So, but the brown rice really adds that nice little nutty flavor that brown rice brings. Give this one a try, because fall is definitely in the air this morning. Um, I'm enjoying it. I am enjoying this cooler weather, and it's supposed to be nice for the rest of this week. And there's Mortimer. He's awake. So yeah, being Sunday, this is date night or Sunday dinner night here at the Tomozik household and in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Robin indicated earlier in the week, literally a week ago, that she was thinking breakfast for dinner. So I kind of, especially being the last week of the month, money is super tight. So I kind of went back and forth on what to prepare Robin tonight, and I came up with doing a frittata. Um, Yeah, so I am making a bacon, feta, and veggie frittata for tonight. Um, you get to practice some dicing knife skills, which should be fun. So, yeah, let's get to it. And of course, with a frittata, we have eggs, we've got bacon, onion, garlic, red and yellow bell peppers, yellow squash, and zucchini, and of course, feta cheese. I'm pretty sure I'll be adding some dried herbs into this, and maybe a spice or two. It depends on how I feel later on today. So yeah, on this Sunday, enjoy this cooler weather. We've been eating it. Have a great day. Eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.